Welcome to Backyard Camps and this YouTube channel.
In 2019, after we traveled all around the world,
We dreamed big and the idea of backyard camps was born.
and now we're building it. Follow our journey.
Okay, so they have already fixed this wheel. So they put in rubber inside it. And the weird thing is today I just said, let's hope that we don't destroy one of the wheels on the stones. And the second after I called for it, it came. So be careful what you wish for. This is quite funny. I was checking everywhere after those mutas, or we call this muta, and they were there. There they were. So I was checking everywhere. I was checking about above here and around and in tractor. Short message to Hova, and then you find. Home to my wife. This whole morning we prepared, got some material. That's what I've been doing, and now I'm going to start laying out this small, we call it single in Norway, gravel for the pipes. This, and put it down here in an even line, up, so we can start lay the pipes down. Okay. Maybe I should not do that. I check, I'm 2 meters high. So it's under the frost 100%. Let's just keep them here. It's too heavy. Good morning, or good day. Today we will, it's Friday, and we'll be struggling with the Masi today. It will not start. So Hova is actually using maybe the whole day on figuring out if it's something in the tank, or because usually when the tank is starting to get low, we have these troubles and it's water in the filters, and yeah, it's the new filters. So we tried with air pressure in the tank, and we have tried warming it up like a lot, and we have removed the filters, and feel like we tried everything. So I think maybe we will drain down the tank and check what is in it. He's going to do that, and in the meanwhile I'm trying here to make this road that's very narrow, so I can go up right back and forth with an excavator and put gravel, or this fine gravel, inside here. Look at him. So it was the slange, we call it slange. It's a kind of pipe, elastic pipe from the tank, we think, to the pump on the machine, and it was like too old, so we call it Norway morkning. So he cut it where the hole was, and we need to replace it. He's not 100% sure if that's a problem, but we think so. Just wanted to film this. This is what's so beautiful with the north, when we have weather like this. This is how it looks like when it's close to full moon and snow.